Okay, friends, so the game for today is called Mind Reader Edition. Everyone say Mind Reader Edition. What you're gonna need are your flashcards, the same flashcards as yesterday, but not numbers 0 through 10. You'll need numbers 0 through 5. And you're gonna mix all those flashcards up into a pile just like this. And you're also gonna need a piece of paper and something to write with to record your answers later. So again, you need your flashcards 0 through 5, a piece of paper, and something to write with. Okay, you'll also need a partner to play with. There are two different roles. One person is going to be the mind reader, and the other person is going to be the leader. So you have a mind reader and a leader. So if you are the mind reader, and friends, if you're not the mind reader this time, you'll be the mind reader the next time because you're gonna switch roles. So if you are the mind reader, you're gonna grab the first two cards at the top of your pile. You're gonna grab them, but don't look at your cards. You're gonna put them in front of you on top of your mind or on top of your brain, okay? So you're gonna hold those two cards like this. And right now, you don't know the numbers of these cards. You have to guess what two cards these are. And the leader is going to help you. The leader, my leader, is going to be Edna Mode. Everyone say, hey, Miss Edna Mode. So the leader is going to give you a hint. The only hint they can give the mind reader is the sum of those two cards. Everyone say sum. The sum is the whole or the total of these two cards when you add them together. So again, if I am the mind reader and I can't see these two cards, my leader can only tell me the sum of these two cards. So Edna Mode, what is the sum of these two cards that I can't see? The sum of these two cards is 7. That's what she told me. So if I add both these numbers together, my total or my sum is 7. Now, if you're the mind reader, this is what you have to figure out. What two cards make that sum? Let's see, what two numbers make 7? Let's see. I have 5 tries to get it right. Let's see. First try. 1 and 6. Let's check. 1 and 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That equals 7. But are these two numbers 1 and 6 or 6 and 1? No. If that's not right, what other two numbers make 7? What other two numbers? Oh, 2 and 5? Are these two numbers 2 and 5? No? 2 and 5 make 7. 2 and 5 more make 7. But 2 and 5 are not these two cards. What's another way that I know? Let's see. I can just put up I can put up a number of fingers and I can just add on until I get to 7. So right now I have 3. 1, 2, 3. And I can just count on until I get to 7. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So another way to make 7 is 3 and 4 more. 3 and 4 more. So maybe one card is 3 and the other card is 4. Do I have 3 and 4 here? I do? Yeah, I got it right. This is the number 4. And this is the word that represents the value 3. Good thing I know my sight words. I can play this game. So I'm right. So 3 and 4 make 7. The mind reader got it right in less than 5 turns. Now I have to record my answer on a piece of paper. Come on. Okay, friends. So I have my two numbers here, and now I'm gonna record my answer. So I know the sum was 7, and I got 7 by putting 4 and 3 more together. So this is my number sentence. Now, usually, friends, you know, in class, we write our number sentence like this. 4 plus 3 equals 7. But you can also just switch the parts that are on the sides of the equal sign. So even though you switch them, it means the same thing. 4 plus 3 equals 7. It's the same thing as writing 7 equals 4 plus 3. It means the same thing. Both sides are equal. So both sides are the same. 7 is the same as 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is the same as 7. Okay, friends? So that's how I record my answer. Now, I want you to take turns. So if you are the mind reader, now it's your turn to be the leader. So the leader tells you the sum. And the mind reader has to figure out the 2 numbers that make the sum. Okay, friends? So I want to see at least 5 number sentences. How many number sentences at least? 5 number sentences. So far, I have 1 here, and I need to make 4 more. So keep playing, friends, and good luck. Have lots of fun. And don't forget to share your pictures with your funny kooky hat in the comments of this Facebook post, just like Mr. Junior. Good luck. Hi, families. So if your Rocketeer is struggling with playing this game, you can also play a variation. It wouldn't be addition, but it would be more of comparing values. So if the mind reader grabs a card, and again, they can't see it, and they put it on their forehead, the leader, first the mind reader guesses what number it is. So I can't see the number, but maybe the number is 5. So the leader tells the mind reader if they're correct or not correct. So Edna, Mode, am I correct? Is the card 5? No. So the card in my hand is not 5. So now the leader is gonna tell the mind reader if the actual card is lower or higher, less or more than the number I guessed. So Edna, is the card I have more or less than 5? So Edna just told me the card is less than 5. So that means it's smaller than 5. Is the number in my hand, is the number 3? Is the number 3, Edna? Oh, she said no. Oh, she said the number is more than 3. So the number here is more than 3, so it's bigger than 3, but the number here is also less than 5. So what number could it be? 4. 4 is more than 3, and 4 is less than 5. Is the number 4? Yeah! I got it right. So friends, if you're having trouble playing Mind Reader Edition, you can also play a game of higher or lower. So I'm gonna record my answer for what I got. So I know that 4 is less than or greater than 3. Yeah, it's greater than 3. So I'm gonna write the greater sign and label it and write the number 3. So I wrote down 4 is greater than 3. And can also write 4 is less than 5. Let's see, 4 is less than 5. Let's see if I remember it. Less than 5. I can also write that. I just wrote 2 comparisons. Okay, friends? So you can also play a game of higher or lower if you're having some trouble playing Mind Reader Edition. And don't forget to record your answers just like Mr. Junie. All right, I can't wait to see all your work in the Facebook comments and in your costumes too. Good luck, everyone. Thank you for watching today's daily math activity. Make sure you share your pictures and your videos in the comments of this video. And tomorrow is Friday, and tomorrow is Lip Sync Battle Friday. So you can play a song, any song you want, maybe your favorite song, and then you're gonna lip sync to it. That means you're gonna sing to it, but you don't make any sounds with your mouth. You just mouth the words like this. Just like that. So you're not making any noise, you are just lip syncing, so you're still saying the words, but not actually saying them. And you're going along with the song. So I hope everyone posts a video tomorrow on Friday. All right? And I'll see you again tomorrow for another daily math activity. Peace out.